everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Victoria and today we're going to be making Moin Moin. To start, we're going to pour our beans into a bowl, add some water and allow to soak for about 5 minutes. After it's soaked enough, we're going to start peeling. So just rub it in your palms and try to peel the shaft or the peel away. And after peeling for a while, you sieve it. Make sure that you're sieving only the shaft out and not the beans itself. After sieving, you pour back the water, and the tip to making this really fast is having enough water. So I added just some extra water and repeated the process. So yeah, I'm not doing much of peeling, but I'm actually kind of shaking, like mixing it up so that the shaft and the peel can come up, like so they can float. So when I pour it, they are coming out of the water. I don't know if you understand that, but yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. So and then I just did some more peeling, singled out some, just peeled and added water, saved it, and just repeated the process. So you have to do this about just 3 times, 2 times, sometimes 4 times, just like until you get your preferred amount of peeled beans basically. So I did this about, I don't know, I did like 5 times, although it was very necessary. Like I don't have to do it that much. Actually, it's not like the peel of beans is poison or something. So just 3 times would be enough. 3-4 times would be enough actually. So after peeling the beans, I just sieved it out again, made sure that nothing is coming out, and I was done. And then I poured it into the container I would use for blending it. Poured it in, and then I added my pepper. I used chili pepper, onions, and the chili pepper, we call it what's that word again? We call it power in Nigeria. So after it's blended, I just mixed it, added salt, added seasoning cube, and stirred it more. So yeah, if you're using palm oil, you would have to do this just to lighten it or make it thinner. But if you're using vegetable, you don't need to put it on fire. And then just add the oil, whichever you're using, then mix it in. After mixing, I added some crayfish and mixed it in again. And then it was too thick, so I added water. After mixing, I tasted it because to know if the salt or maggi I added is enough. So after that, I added more salt and seasoning cube. So and then we use those bowls in my house for Moin Moin. So and they come with little covers. So just put it in there, and I added some boiled fish into each of them, and we also used the milk tins because we don't have enough of the Moin Moin bowls. So we just used milk tin, and I was done. I added some water, covered it, and put it on fire. I can't really say how long it takes on fire because that depends on the temperature of your gas, on the size of the pot, the amount of Moin Moin you're making. But basically in 20 minutes, I guess, on average. And this is how it came out. It was really nice. I tasted it and it was great. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something, and I hope you try this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.